So, what I'm going to talk to you guys about today is how the media affects us globally. So, media literacy is a set of perspectives we use to expose ourselves to the mass media. This helps us interpret data, meaning, and the messages that we encounter. Some exposure habits that we may use are, the media may use, is that they can present various messages to specific targeted audiences. They use these targeted audiences to reach the interests and help them come back for more information. This helps people make unconscious exposures and conscious exposures as they are consuming media. So the mass media's function is that they provide news, information, entertainment, and education. They can help people socialize and form opinions and decisions. The media influences a lot of how we view our culture and different societies' roles. Some of these are like gender roles and stereotypes. The media can influence business, politics, and economics opinions. It can influence relationships, appearance, and our values. So this all kind of connects to globalization because globalization, such as like TV shows and films, they can influence people, shaping the way they understand their social identities, their culture, communities, and the wider world that they live in. Ultimately, mass media draws connection between everyone globally. How so? They do this by through international relations is actually a big influence. The media is a big influence for international relations because it can increase competition between countries. We become more aware of social matters and issues when the media reports on it. We can learn about the relations between other states and what is going on, politically wise and between world leaders. Social matters like debates, public meetings, affairs, transport problems, price levels, art, literature, and religion are all featured through media to help us understand uh, the the international issues and relations that are going on between different countries. So all the media also influences the economy because the media will use ads to help raise awareness of global issues, and the media can help raise money for causes. If there is diseases or we need bonds or things like that, the media can help promote those things and help everyone become more aware so that they can raise money. It also increases business between global industries because some media might feature some businesses and might advertise more than others, increasing competition and helping the global industries grow. The media also helps educate us globally. General health programs get publicized and campaigns for, child health, family planning, awareness about different diseases and things. It helps raise more awareness of that. It can inform and educate those who cannot afford an education. We have the internet today where we can research almost anything and we can learn more and we can gain instant information at the tip of our fingers. Mass media informs us of current issues so authorities can take action. The authorities can see what the issues are and then they can go from there after the media features it. So globalization in the media ultimately helps us adjust and fix our lives individually and solve problems worldly. It helps us connect with different cultures around the world so we can become more aware. Thank you.